Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla Petrie, and today I'm going to do my hair on camera. So I'm excited because I got this little thing from Amazon. It holds your phone on the wall, so I'm able to do everything I need to do. So this is my hair. It is freshly washed and treated. I cut my hair last year in January. I was wearing it really short, and then I decided to grow it out because I was like, I'm tired of wearing it real short. I was dyeing it blonde every 2 weeks. So this is all of the growth that I have since January of last year. I recently just got it blow dried, flat ironed, and yeah, and this is how long it is. I got a trim and or haircut. I'm not sure how much she cut off, but I think this is very good progress. So now I just want to show you guys what I'm going to do. So today I'm deciding to do a quick weave. I've never done one of these on myself, at least not a full one. I've added tracks to my hair before, but never a quick weave. And this is just my hair, freshly washed, sat in a towel. I'm first starting off using this serum from Garnier Fructis, and then I'm just going to part my hair in 4 to prep it for blow drying. Today I'm using the SILVERBIRD blow dryer, and I'm just going to put some castor oil on my edges. And then here you just see me parting everything into 4. That kind of makes it easier for me when I'm blow drying my own hair because it's kind of thick. So this is the blow dryer fresh out the pack. It comes with 2 attachments, and that's the reason why I actually bought this particular blow dryer, is because it had the comb attachment, and this was one of the only ones that I could find. This one is from Sally's Beauty, or Sally Beauty, and to get the hair out of the way, I'm just going to braid each section down until I'm finished. What I will say about this blow dryer is I really do like it. It's a personal blow dryer for me. It was really easy to blow dry my hair, and I didn't have to use the hottest setting to get it blow dried, as you can see. Also, it was reasonably priced, and honestly, it really got the job done. I didn't have any problems with it falling off or anything like that, so I definitely do recommend it off first impressions. Yes, I changed shirts. This is definitely a new day, but I was finishing up in the morning. And so what you see me doing here is just parting out the hair I want to have out. This is a partial quick weave with leave out. So I'm parting out that middle section, and then I'm going to leave my edges out. So now I'm just going to braid my leave out of the way. I don't want anything to get into the rest of my hair, so I'm just going to braid both sides, one to the left and one to the right. Now that my leave out is braided down, I'm going to start by braiding my hair. So the braid closest to my hairline, I'm going to make that braid a little bit smaller just because I want it to be flat. But I'm taking that second braid and curving it around the back. And I'm attaching that first braid to the second braid, and I'm going to do that the entire time so that I can be left with one braid. This braid pattern isn't a specific braid pattern. Like I said, this is my first time doing a quick weave on myself. So I'm just kind of winging it and doing whatever. I'm actually going out tonight, so I wanted to get that out of the way. So I wanted to do something really quick. So I like to switch back and forth because I want that middle braid to end up in the middle and not on the side. And as you can see, I'm continuing to pick up that one braid, and I'm going to do that, like I said, all the way through. I'm taking needle and thread and I'm just going to sew that last braid to the rest of the braids. And I'm going to sew the braids down a little bit just to make it a little more flat because it's kind of lumpy. So I'm going to use 2 caps and I'm going to use a silver pen to outline my leave out. I'm going to do that with the second cap. Now today I'm not using any protectant, I'm just gluing it right onto the cap. And the reason being is because I have the remover and I don't think it'll be difficult to take out at all. But as you can see, a quick weave is really fast. Like, I was pleased at how fast it took and then how it actually looked. I'm just taking this hair. This is hair from my company. It's my straight hair extensions, and I did lengths 24, and I think I just grabbed a random length for the top few last pieces that I put in. And I'm just kind of curving the hair to the front, not too much because I don't want it too much in my face, but I'm just curving it a little bit. And then when I'll get to the top, I'll really curve that last one because I want it to lay a certain way. I kind of lay my tracks like a sew-in. You just have to know how you want your hair to look in order to determine how you will lay your tracks. But yeah. So now I'm taking some scissors and I'm actually cutting 1 cap at a time because I do not want to cut my hair. So I'm just playing it safe. So now I'm just taking the braids out so I can flat iron my hair. And I'm just going to use a Babyliss flat iron to do that. Super easy, nothing crazy. And I don't put it too hot either, like maybe 420, 410. It's good for me. Alright, so here's the final look. I'll insert a picture so you can see how I styled it. Came out super cute.